Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Almost 1 year, 1 month, 20 days ago, I planted oleander stem, which we germinated the good root, healthy roots by the just stem putting inside the water, and for a few days, then we found a very healthy root is formed. Then using the organic soil, uh, we planted in a pot, and you can see in our previous videos how we have planted it. And after the just 1 year, 1 month, 20 days, you can see how is our oleander growth. Oleander plant has grown and started giving the beautiful bunch of flowers. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, Tabarakallah. This is the oleander plant. Previously, in my previous video, I have explained about it. It is the age of this plant is exactly 1 year, 1 month, 23 days. MashaAllah, Tabarakallah. Now the flower is blooming, and Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, the plant is very healthy and very good. I always keeping it on the window. It's half day it's getting full time, half day it is getting the sunlight, and half day in shade in same place. It is the direction like this. So now this is the our basil plant, bonsai basil plant. I'll explain on the video inshallah soon. So see how it has you can see the root and the pot and the stem, leaves, and the flowers. These the flowers ready to blow. This is now in bud, the young buds. Jazakallah khair. Salamatullah barakatuh. MashaAllah, Tabarakallah. After pouring water, it is full-fledged blooming, and it has strengthened and going to be full-fledged blooming with the bunch of flower. MashaAllah, you can see. So another views, I will show you the other views. The new water-based plant I kept in. It is not a water-based, but we put in the water, giving it some light, checking how the root is going to be formed. This is the views of flower. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, Tabarakallah. It is 1 year, 1 month, 5 days, and MashaAllah, full-fledged bunch of flower it has blooming. And this is the stem, and inshallah the leaves seems to be dirty, and we will spray the water, so it will be more clean and more beautiful. You can see the flowers, how beautiful flowers, MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah, Allah is the great. Just it has grown with a stem. I used the stem and planted it, and Allah has grown. You can see the new branches is coming. Alhamdulillah, Bismillah Ta'ala, the new 2 branch, left and right. inshallah it will be more dense. First we have to give the water and half day sunlight, the half day sunlight. Just we missed to pouring water at just only one evening. See how unstable and weakened the plant is become. And now soon I'll show you. I'll pour the water, and after 1 or 2 hours I'll show you the status of this, how it is becoming the fresh. So it's neat. This is the summer season. We need to pour the water every day. Just wait for a few minutes. We'll show you, or 1 hour, 1.5 hours. The same flower just after pouring the water. How fresh is looking, mashallah. These are the close views of bunch of flowers you can see, and you can grow at your home by yourself. It's very easy and very interesting, and it's good for health, alhamdulillah, and also the plant will pray for you. So have a good day.